Welcome to a video from Dr. Locke. In this video we're going to have a quick look at the HPC 1200. This is one I'm just pulling out of a van to actually clean up. As you can see here, basically you've got your space and depth needles. The actual spacing isn't much of a problem, but I'm getting a lot of problems off the depth. When I try and turn it and wind it in where it should be going forward, actually wanting to go backwards. So I'm going to have a look at that. I also wanted to show you this machine here. I put this little 12 volt motor on. It was a lot cheaper than buying an actual genuine motor, and it hasn't let me down. We got the local CNC guy to machine up this, you see that right there? That part right there. So it just goes straight on the motor with the key. There's the Allen key for it, and then you've got your belt that fits in, everything's standard. So that motor there, just for your reference, if you can see it there, 12 amp DC motor, input 8 watts, speed 2500, 12 volt voltage, 1.5 amp current, so that's really quite low. So it weighs a lot less now. So I'm just going to flip this over here and give you a little look at what's down inside this thing. So to make up a HPC, there you go, you've got of course you've got your slide going left and right. This is the knob for here, and then you've got your forward one. You've got two poles in there, one that moves the actual, it's like a screw thread with the big handle on it. Then you've got the other one which is spring loaded, and as you can see right down the back there, you might be able to see what's kind of happening down there. Okay, you can see it there. So when you turn those handles, they actually move. So there's your one for your depth, and the other one down the back is for your spacing. So top one is for your spacing, bottom one is for your depth. And that's pretty much what's going on inside a HPC. Although it is very simple, you know, this machine's rock solid. It's lasted so many years and done perfect keys for so many people. This one here we've just tapped up through the 12 volt switch. So we're using the original switch, if you can see it here, and we're just feeding through, so there's nothing really special there. The micro switch we've disconnected here, we really don't need that, and it's just annoying. So yeah, rock solid machine, and apparently you can actually get new needles and things. There's a rebuild kit available, so for all those old HPC, you know, old HPC 1200s out there, if you want to get one, rebuild it, and you know, you get another 20-30 years out of it. So that's HPC Blitz 1200. I love the machine, it's good. And if you can leave any comments down below about what you think about it, or any other parts or things that I didn't cover. Okay, thanks for watching.